What's up everybody? Zach here at Morimoto, and today we're going to be talking about a hot new grille from Morimoto for the 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram with an available option for both the 1500 and the heavy duty trucks. Introducing the all-new Morimoto XBG Grille. If you're looking for features like an integrated LED bar, unmatched optics, and a plug-and-play installation, then these are for you. These grilles are going to be a perfect complement to the Morimoto headlights, taillights, and off-road lights that we have available. If chrome is your thing, you've got the available chrome option, but we have the customizable black grille that's easily disassembled, paintable, and reassembled for installation on the vehicle. Please note that for either installation, the chrome or the black grille that's paintable, you will need replacement emblems after the install. And now for the install, it's super easy. You're going to start with raising the hood of the vehicle. You're going to use a trim removal pry tool and remove the 4 plastic push clips that secure the plastic radiator shroud to the vehicle. Remove the shroud and set it aside. Remove the 4 10mm bolts that secure the top of the grille to the upper radiator support. Pull the front grille assembly forward with moderate force to release the 4 clips that secure it to the truck. Once it is released, remove the grille from the truck and set it aside. Remove the 2 10mm bolts that secure the inner corners of the driver's side headlight to the housing. Moving to the driver's side wheel well, open the access panel on the fender liner. Reach through the access panel and slide the white clip upwards into the unlocked position. Firmly pull the headlight forward to release it from the truck. Disconnect the connectors on the back of the housing and set the light aside. Install Mopar part number 68311411AA, which is sold separately, onto the front of the new grille assembly as shown. Flipping the grille over, install your preferred color selector key onto the plug as shown. It'll be like this for white illumination, or it'll be like this for amber illumination. Open the lid to the fuse box located in the engine bay. Locate and remove the 10 amp fuse in the F66 sunroof location for 09 to 2012 model year trucks. They'll have a different fuse box. You'll use fuse slot M6 or M19. You'll also want to note, if you also have XB headlights installed, you're going to need to pull the 10 amp fuse from the extra supplied harness and install it in place of the 5 amp fuse in the harness out of the box. You'll install the provided micro fuse tap into the F66 fuse slot. If you're also installing the Morimoto headlights, the fuse tap can be used for both of the headlights if you make that 10 amp upgrade. Route the fuse tap harness forward to the driver's side headlight cavity. There's going to be 2 harnesses supplied, one for a projector headlight and one for a reflector headlight. Decide which one you need for your vehicle and connect the grille harness to the headlight connectors and fuse tap harness as shown. Leave the single pin connector uncapped if you are installing the Morimoto XB headlights, or cap it off with a provided cover if you're not installing them. Lift the driver's side headlight up to the cavity and connect the headlight connectors to the headlight housing. Reinstall the driver's side headlight, making sure not to get any of the wiring pinched or caught behind the headlight. Leave the output on the grille hanging in front of the light as shown to be connected to the grille. Lift the grille assembly up to the front of the vehicle and connect the grille to the grille adapter harness. Install the new grille onto the truck by popping the plastic clips into place, then securing it using the 4 factory 10mm bolts. The color selector harness can be routed up to the top of the grille and secured for easy access if you decide to change colors later. Get in the truck and confirm that all functions are working properly, then reinstall the factory radiator cover. So if you're looking for a plug-and-play install with an industry-leading 5-year warranty to completely upgrade the front end of your Ram truck, head on over to morimotolighting.com to get yours today.